Hey, stop wasting time looking for cheap and easy ways for you to make money. There are legit ways, beautiful and amazing ways. I call them the lazy way to make money. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn 50,000 to 75 million naira in just 20 years. Now you may think 20 years is not so, it's so far and all that. It's a lie. Was not the other day when we talked about COVID. Now we're doing 5 years anniversary. Imagine when you started 5 years ago, you would have had just 15 more years to go. You see, every day the clock is ticking. And as your bestie, I'm here to give you the right information. I want to show you a better way to plan and retire and enjoy life. Be able to go for vacation and do so many things the easy way. In today's video, I'm going to show you how this is possible in 7 simple steps. Of course, on this channel, I teach you how to make money online, leveraging your phone, data, and some important knowledge. Hi everyone, my name is Julia and I'm a wealth educator. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this channel, I show you how to make money, how to save money, and how to spend money wisely. Most importantly, how to multiply your money leveraging the US stock market. So if you're ready, let's get in. Let's get in. So I'm going to show you how to start investing. How are we going to turn 50K to almost 84 million? Yeah, because it can actually be more than this. So let's take it step by step, all right? I want you to understand this thing. Open your mind. This is one of the best videos you're going to watch this year. And since we are still in March, you still have many more months, 9 good months to rearrange yourself. Now, this video will make more sense to the person who has a 9 to 5 job, who doesn't have time to do side hustle, but you're looking to make your money work for you, okay? Let me tell you the truth. You must make sacrifices if you want a better life. That thing you're eyeing, you're going to make some sacrifices. So you're going to sacrifice bringing out a certain amount of money every month to be able to achieve the life. If you want to free up, live your rich life, live that life you're admiring, there are some sacrifices you're going to make. So the first step you're going to take is investing in your financial education. You're going to learn about personal finance and join a money community. There is something about having information. There are people who meet me and they say, I wish I knew you 10 years ago, 5 years ago. I used to have plenty money, but now I'm broke. When you have access to information, you can literally start small. And you don't need to start playing as yes, this video is about 50,000, but you can even do this with 5,000. All right. So this is why we have a community. We have the stock to wealth community where you get to learn about stock basics, how to earn passive income, which is just 10,000 naira. Here you get access to video lessons and they are for lifetime. All right. Then we have the VIP World Builders community where beyond the video lessons, I walk you through setting up your apps and everything. I give you a financial plan. You have a blueprint on how to retire. And then I get to look into your portfolio and help you to rebalance your portfolio because it is very important. Some people have been buying the wrong stocks. Some people have been buying stocks from one sector. Some people have been, buying so many stocks when they need just one or two. So this is what I get to do when you're in the VIP. I help you to rearrange your portfolio and make it look better to be able to make you some money and mix it in such a way that every month there's something coming in for you. And this is just 50,000 naira, which is very cheap. But for the knowledge, I would rather put it at a price that many people can afford. So the link to join us is in the description. The second thing you're going to do is to open a brokerage account. All right. So you're going to sign up with Optimus by Afrinvest or Trove or Bamboo or Vest or even Chaka. These are different options. But by order of preference, I prefer Optimus by Afrinvest, Trove, Bamboo. Now, Vest is my favorite, the best out of them all. But not everybody can access it. But if you are in the community, either the basic or the VIP, I hook you up on how to get your Vest account because they don't charge any fee when you're buying and selling your stocks, which is one of the ways people lose a lot of money. So when they start crying, I know why they're actually complaining. So these apps will give you access to global stocks and ETFs and REITs and dividend stocks. And they're user friendly and they give local support. Because I'm supporting you and giving you that, ginger, you're going to get everything right. So what do? You simply click on the app link, which is in the description. So I've put in the referral code link. All you need to do is to just go there, click on it, and then set up your app. It takes like 5 minutes to do everything. I've actually done a video and I'm going to link that video in the description where I talked about how you're going to set up your Optimus by Afrinvest. I've done videos on Trove and Bamboo. So make sure you watch the video and you can get yours started. So the videos I've done on setting up the apps are already, existing. So just go through or, scroll down in my other videos and you'll see them. So that is it. Then the step three, you're going to fund and deposit your first 50K because now you've set up the account. You need your money to work for you. That's the truth. So you're going to deposit 50,000 into the app to enable you be able to invest it. There is no need to keep money in the bank when the money can double when you invest it. Bank will give you maybe 5%, 10% maximum, but imagine getting this, turning 50,000 into 75 to 80 million. So how can you do this? You're going to link your bank account and set up an automatic transfer using your ATM card. But there is usually an account number, for you in the app. So when you just take the account number every month, you use it and you transfer the money. But I prefer that every month you go afresh because sometimes they are like generated and it gives you access to just 1 hour for you to use it. So because they are just computer generated account number meant for only unique to only you. Another way to do this is to set up automatic transfer by using your ATM debit card. Why? Why do I encourage people to do automatic deposit? Because you may likely forget. You're a human being. There's so many things on your mind, and then when you remember, they're like, I've not bought Gary, I've not bought um data, I've not paid for life. This morning. But if you have automatic deposit, as your salary is dropping, it will help you to do the job. So you see that okay, you get a notification that this amount has been taken off, so that you avoid missing your deposit, so that every month you can be consistent. Now, step four is that you now choose which stocks are you buying to give you the maximum return. So there is always a combination. So this is the simplest and easy way as a beginner who doesn't want to spend money. Say you don't want to join my community, but you want to set yours up. So this is what you can do. You can split your money into two or three so that you can buy ETFs. ETFs are called exchange traded funds. They are a basket of stocks. So you can have ETF for um, health. You can have ETFs for semiconductor. You can have ETFs for energy. So there's a pool of all the best stocks in energy, all the best stocks in health, all the best stocks in AI. So that's how you get it. So my favorites are VOO, which is the top best 500 stocks in America, all in one basket. VTI and VGT. We are going to get to them shortly. So let's talk about VTI. VTI focuses on tracking the investment performance of the total US stock market index. Can you imagine? And they have had an average return of 10.3% the last 20 years. So 10% at least. So if you're investing in this one, you are sure that you're okay, 10%. And remember, there are years that they do much more than this 10%, okay? So you may end up getting around 15 to 16 on average. Now, VGT is a tech ETF. All the stocks that are into tech, the best of them all. That's what they packed. Tech giants like Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, they are all in this basket. So you're not buying one, you're buying a pool of all these amazing stocks. And this has had 20% return in the last 20 years. So this is absolutely amazing. Then the last one is S&P 500 ETF, the top and best 500 companies in America. You can see Tesla, Amazon, Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia. These are the top titans, like the big boys, all right? And this has done 12% average return the last 20 years. So what do you now do in step five? Just to have, this is a lazy investment pattern. All you need is to just have a particular amount. And remember, I say that don't freak out because when you hear 50,000, you'll be like, how will I be bringing out 50K to do this? Start with 5,000. Let's say you don't have up to 50. You can't afford it. You are telling yourself the truth, okay? You can't afford it. And you decide, okay, let me do 5K. After like 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 6 months, you begin to see some good, returns. You start enjoying it. Remember that there are some in my community. There is one I have recommended. This one is going to give us almost 100%. So imagine getting 100% of your money in 1 year. So these are the reasons why you should join the community. So what you do here is that every month you buy, irrespective of the price of the fund. So you just go and just buy your VOO. Every month you buy. It's called dollar cost average. Buying every month at different prices. So this month, maybe VO is like 500, you buy. Next month, 490, you buy. Another month, 512, you buy. Another month, 511, you buy. Another one, 520, you buy. Another one, 470, you buy. Just keep buying them. Stay disciplined and then allow compound interest effect. So a lot of people, what they do is that they actually set this in such a way that all the profit goes back into the capital while they're also adding more. Because time is your best friend in this thing. In 20 years, let me show you. Let me show you. I like to show you things. The growth check. So in 10 years, you'll see that 50K per month at 15% will give you about 14 million. In 20 years, this 50K per month at 15% will give you about 75 to 80 million. So let's look at the calculator. Let me show you so that you will see. Can you see this? This is 50,000 in 5 years, 15%. You put 50,000 every month. Ignore the dollar sign because this has been imputed with the dollar sign. You can see that this is what it will give you. All right. Now you started with 50,000 and in 5 years you've contributed 3 million and you've had interest of 1,484,000. Now let's go to 20 years time. Sorry, this cannot be 200. Sorry about that. So see, in 20 years time, can you see the 75 million? And you remember you started with 50,000. So your total contribution is 12 million. Hi. Oh, you should clap for me. But your total interest is 63,797,000. This is free money you did not work for. You see why I say that time is your best friend. In 5 years, your interest will be small. But in 10 years, your interest will start becoming bigger than your total contribution. Remember that total contribution is just do 50,000 times 20 years. That's 50,000 multiplied by 12 multiplied by 20. You will get 12 million. Simple. Then look at 63 million. So imagine that you are setting up this account for your children. And when they start turning 20 years, maybe when the first one turns 20 years, you have this amount, 75 million. You can use it to do a lot of things for them. They can use it to travel for their masters. You can use it to settle them when they are getting married. So many things. Now imagine if you're able to do this for 30 years. I just want you to see something. In 30 years of continuously doing 50,000, you have contributed what? 18 million. But look at this value. You see that what we are lacking is really knowledge. If you have the best fund where you can put in this money, look at 350 million when you have contributed just 18 million. Why? You had time, 30 years, you cannot buy it with money. So when your kids are still small, this is when to do this thing for them. I just wish you will understand it. Watch this video again if you need to. Watch this video again if you need to. I'm telling you the honest truth. So let's go to step number 7. Let's compare. Assuming you saved your money without touching your money for just 20 years. So if you saved every month for 10 years, that's 600,000 per year, 6 million in 10 years. And if you have saved for 20 years, that is 600,000 per year, 12 million in 20 years. Can you see the difference? Can you see the difference between saving and investing? So the right knowledge really matters. Imagine if you did this for 30 years. Imagine that from age 30 to 60, you have more than enough to retire. Imagine if you did this for your children with 5,000 naira, with 10,000 naira, with 20,000 naira. Did you enjoy this lesson? I'm sure you enjoyed the lesson. So you see, before you go online to go and say nothing is working, just realize that there are free information online that will actually help you. That is why I took my time to do this video because I know it's going to be very, very important to you. So did you enjoy this? Did you enjoy this video? I know you did. Thank you so much for watching and thank you for learning. I hope you made some notes. Please come back and watch this video again. This video is a game changer. This video needs to go viral. I'm telling you, this is that video that can give you the secret to making plenty money. So when you're getting money, just be throwing that money inside that 5,000. You will be amazed though. You will definitely be amazed. I hope you had a good time with me. I'm still your best friend, your financial best friend. My name is Julia, and I will see you in the next video.